Hello everyone and welcome to Henry channel. In this video I'll show you how you can use your phone as a webcam on your PC in Windows 10. Here you can see I'm going to show you how you can also connect your phone like this, so let's get started.
Welcome to Henry YouTube channel. Right guys, I will take over from my friend. So what you need to do is download DroidCam client for PC. So just type it in Google. And then it will be the first link, guys, just like this. Click on this link and then you will come to this site. So what you need to do, just click download it, install it onto your desktop PC. So now guys, what you need to do, run setup and install DroidCam. Next step, download DroidCam on your phone from Playstore. This only works on Android phones, by the way. I'm not too sure if you got this for iOS, but if you got iPhone, you can check, guys. Okay, once you downloaded the app, open it, and the interface is gonna look like this. So just allow these options. So what you need to do, plug in the micro USB into your phone. It depends actually what kind of connector your phone takes. Now just follow the steps. Right, now what you need to do, follow the steps shown on the desktop here. This is how you use your phone as a webcam. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.